As you know, that during this corona period, we have become more and more cautious against pathogens, including bacteria and viruses. They cause various types of diseases, and coronavirus is one of them. We put a lot of efforts into making sure that each and everything around us is clean and has no pathogens. So, disinfecting our surroundings has become our primary responsibility to protect ourselves and our families. However, there are various high infection prone areas like offices, shops, stores, clinics, hospitals, and even at home that are difficult to disinfect. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something different. In this video, I'm going to share some really interesting information related to disinfection. Few days back, I came to know about disinfectant tar launched by Aditsa Healthcare called Aura UVC. So I thought to share this important information with my audience as well. So let's first talk about why a disinfectant tar is useful. You might be aware of the reason behind the use of masks, sanitizers, social distancing, and being at home. This is mainly because we want to protect ourselves from viruses or bacteria, especially the coronavirus. Here comes the role of the disinfectant tar. Aura UVC is a disinfectant tar that uses UVC to kill a range of pathogens including viruses and bacteria. So the device uses UVC surface and air disinfection technology that has been specifically designed for disinfecting an area within just a few minutes. So you must be wondering that who can use this disinfectant tar, or which are those places where this disinfecting tar can be effectively used. So Aura UVC can be a good investment in reducing COVID-19 infection both for public and private places. For example, this disinfecting tar can be a very good addition for hospitals and medical facilities, schools, colleges, educational institutions, and there are shopping complexes, stores, then there are hotels, restaurants, banquet halls, then there are conference halls, movie theaters, cineplexes, public and private offices, and then there are public transports and several others. So if you have a home office or a shop, a store, or you take any coaching or any parlor classes at your home, or any other facility where people used to come from different places, Aura UVC, the disinfectant tar, can be very useful. Several research studies have already been conducted worldwide to test the effectiveness of UVC. Some countries like the US, Europe, and China have started using these kinds of disinfectant tars to combat COVID-19. Above all, Aura's UVC is so convenient to use and has only one-touch operation. It gives full 360-degree coverage, faster disinfection, and disinfects from floor to ceiling. It has a custom duration selection feature, so you can choose the time you want the tar to work to disinfect anything. Most importantly, it does not emit any gas or require any use of corrosive chemicals. I'm really thinking of giving it a try for my home office. So you must be thinking that can UVC disinfectant tar help fight against coronavirus or COVID-19? So UVC light has been found to be effective in damaging COVID-19 RNA and render it ineffective from multiplying itself in a host cell. When a virus is exposed to UVC light, it penetrates the virus shell and damages its RNA by permanently changing the structure of the virus RNA, rendering it incapable of infecting any live cell. So the Aura UVC towel or any disinfecting tar can be a very effective tool in reducing the chances of coronavirus infection. In addition to coronavirus, it helps kill other disease-causing pathogens as well as by disinfecting all types of surfaces. You can also use it to disinfect your mask. So this was some of the general information that I wanted to share about how a disinfecting tar works. Why is it required? How can you use it? And some other relevant details. So I hope you find it useful. And for any further queries, you can definitely leave a comment below. And I'm also going to share the link in the description box below and the phone number in case you want to check out for Aura UVC from Aditsa Healthcare. So thank you for watching.